Nilay drove from his home to office at an average speed of 30 km per hour in the morning. Okay, so in morning he travels at a average speed of 30 km per hour. While returning home in evening, he took a different route which was 6 kilometers longer than the morning journey. Okay, he drove 37.5% of return journey at a speed of 28 km per hour and rest of the journey at a speed of 42 km per hour. Okay, so let's see. This is the morning journey. Let's assume this is a morning and this is in evening. Evening he travels from by a different route which is 6 kilometers longer. This is 6 kilometers. Okay, so in evening he is traveling 37.5% of the return journey. 37.5 is 3/8 of the journey. 3/8 of the journey. So let's just take the numbers as assume the total distance in evening to be 8 units, or let's call it 8D. Okay, so he's covering 3/8 of this total journey. So how much? 3 part of this journey. This is 3D. He's traveling it at a speed of 28 kmph, 28 km per hour, and he's covering remaining 5D units of 5 parts at a speed of 42 kmph, 42 kmph. Okay, so in evening he's traveling 8D distance, but in morning he's traveling 6 km less. So in morning in all he's traveling 8D minus 6 kilometers of length, and he is covering it at an average speed of 30 km per hour, 30 kmph. Now what is given as total time for return journey was 5 minutes less than the total time taken for morning journey. Okay, so let's just take total time taken in morning journey was, total time in morning was he's covering 80 with this speed, and total time taken in evening was, first he's covering 3D with a speed of 28 and he's covering 5D at a speed of 42, and the difference between these two time is 5 minutes. Okay, so let's just calculate 8D minus 6 upon 30 minus 3D upon 28 plus 5D upon 42 is equal to 5 upon 60, because this is minute and all this data is in kilometers and R units, so it becomes 1 upon 12. Okay, so I'm dividing these denominators by 2, so it becomes or I can divide all this by, yes, only 2, so 1 by 6. This has become 15, this 14, and this has become I'm dividing it by 2, so it has become 21. This is 14. Okay, now taking I can take common, yes, 1 by 7 I can take common from here, so it is 8D minus 6 upon 15 minus 1 upon 7, which is this 3D upon 2 plus 5D upon 3, which is this 6, and this is 6, 9 plus 10, 19D by 6, 7 and 6 is 42, this is 42, so it becomes 8D minus 6 upon 15 minus 19D upon how much? 42 is equal to 1 by 6. I can cancel out 3 as well. So 3 is 2 times, 3 5 times, and 3 14 times. Taking LCM, this is 70, 5 14, 14 into 8, 112 D minus 84 minus this is 5, and 95D is equal to 1 by 2. Cancelling it with 35, 112D, 95D, How much is this? 17, 5, 7, 12 and 5. Yes, 17B is equal to 35 plus 84. 35 plus 84, which is 9 and 1. 9 no, 17 cancels, it 7 times. So from here I get D is equal to 7. I have assumed returning journey or journey in evening as 8D. What is asked? What was the total distance covered in the return journey? Total distance was 8D. 8 into 7 is 56 kilometers. So he has traveled 56 kilometers of distance in return journey or in evening. Correct answer is